Have you been to Blacksod Sea Safari? Heritage and folklore of deep Irish history unique to this peninsula. Through millennia, the wild Atlantic murmurs so many stories to this part of Mayo. Getting to experience the wild Atlantic from the coast with others on the sea safari, it resonates so many emotions. The excitement of being out on sea through the elements of nature, getting to explore and take in its coastal landscape that has been sculptured through time. Where the old stories of the people that lived here carry on as the sea captains share their knowledge to all the visitors. This is the Inishkea Islands. The Iniskeas are split between north and south. Different political parties also divided them. Due to a tragedy back in 1927, people had to leave the island for the mainland, and this is what's left today. The Norwegians once settled here and had a whaling station. It was large employment on the island at the time, but now it's preserved as a wildlife sanctuary. The sea will only allow you to venture here every so often, let it be by boat or by rib. Your adventure awaits with Blacksod Sea Safari.